This is the Lofoten Islands, where we'll be based for our final 2 months volunteering in Norway. Lofoten is an archipelago in Northern Norway, with islands connected by bridges and undersea tunnels. It's home to some of the most dramatic scenery in the world. We've lived in a lot of places with impressive views, but this one trumped all of them. The view didn't even look real, it was like a green screen. This is the view from the kitchen, and it gave us the perfect vantage point to watch the weather roll in. We lived in a huge 4-storey house where rooms were still being renovated, so Craig was doing a lot of carpentry work while I did painting and cleaning. We visited in spring, which meant we had endless daylight hours as the midnight sun never dipped below the horizon, and it gave us plenty of time to go off on adventures. Hiking was all we did on our days off. We'd spend hours outside exploring different areas, and albeit the mountains are really dramatic, they're not actually that high in altitude, which means some of the summits you can reach in less than an hour. Some of the hikes we had to reach by catching a boat, and others we hitchhiked to. Our host took us on a few wonderful kayaking trips under the midnight sun, which is a really strange experience getting ready to go kayaking at 11 p.m. We love this area of Norway so much that we've decided that one day we're going to head back and we're going to camp and hike our way across the entire length of the Lofoten Islands. We also got to try out scuba diving in the Arctic, which is something we hadn't anticipated doing, so thanks to Lofoten Diving in Ballstad for getting us in the water. We were diving in dry suits for the first time, which is a really strange feeling, and we got to swim above kelp forest and see hundreds of jellyfish, so albeit the visibility wasn't great, it was a very unique experience for us. It wasn't always blue skies and calm seas. We also had some snow in spring and a lot of gale force winds, which isn't uncommon in this area. After 6 months in Norway, it's time for a change, and we couldn't have picked a more different destination. We're off to Kazakhstan.